Hiya, and here we are down the beach again. It's a bit windy today, so I don't know how well the mic's going to pick up my voice, but I'll do my best to try and keep the wind out as best I can. But yeah, we're down for the day. We're only going to do 4 or 5 hours. Kids are at school. High tide is about what? I think it's about 1 o'clock, 10 to 1. It's about 10 o'clock now, so we're just going to do a few hours up to high tide, a little bit of the high tide, and then we'll be packing up and going home. We've been out for about 15 minutes, we've had no bites yet, and there's someone else fishing down there, so we thought we'd be alone today, but there is someone else down here, and we'll see what we can catch. All we got today is just some odds and sods. We bought some fresh ragworm, we got that on the pulley pen with some squid on. The ragworm I've got on a Wessex rig. That's what I caught the cod on a couple of weeks ago, and my wife's out with one rod. She's got a 2-hook flapper with some rag on it, and we'll just see if we can bring any flatties out. I mean, I've got her done up with a place rig with some beads on the end of it. The water's dirty, so they might be a few about, they might not be, but for now, yeah, we'll just see how it goes. Tessa's just brought her rod in, and she had a double shot. And she's got a little pouting, little barbel on him. Yeah, he's got pouting, and just nearly dropped him, and typical whiting. But yeah, they're her first fish ever in sea fishing. So well done. That's it. Tessa's going to go and put them back. Yeah. It's quite windy, so we didn't really know if that was a bite or not. It's sort of 25-30 mile an hour wind, so the rods are going like mad. But yeah, so she's putting them back. I'm going to get mine in, see if I've got anything on the end of mine. Well, I just brought mine in, and I had no bait on any of it. So the worm are gone off of the Wessex rig, and the whole squid off my pulley rig, totally gone. So yeah, they've only been out about 40 minutes altogether. So I've rebaited, I've chucked them back out. I've put a bit of bluey on the big one now, on the pulley pennel, and I'll put rag back on the Wessex. So yeah, no fish for me, but still plenty of time. Hopefully the wind will die down a bit, because it's a bit impossible to spot the bites at the moment. But still, at least it's sunny and not raining. It's the main thing. As you can see through that little time lapse that we just did, that Tess got a little dab as well. So again, so that's 3 fish for her and none for me at the moment. And I think because she's got a place rig on, so her 2-hook flapper, each end of the hook has got, I don't know, 5 or 6 coloured beads on it. Mine doesn't, and I don't have any beads with me to put on mine. So it could be just the bling is bringing her fish, the fish to her hooks, and not mine. But yeah, we'll see. And the wind's picking up even stronger now, so it's getting even more ridiculous to spot the bite. But we keep going. Well, through that impossible wind and that, I saw the tiniest bite. Well, it wasn't tiny, it was big. Look, tiny whiting. 30-mile-an-hour winds with a decent bite, and it's that big. I'm going to lob him back. I can do that from here. Because literally the water's just here now. If any soon, we're going to have to come up onto this ledge. And because high tide, I still think is at least another hour away yet. And yeah, get that rod back out quick. So Tessa's just brought her rod in again, and again she's got another white one while it's out. And so yeah, that's what she's got. So she's got a bit of the bling on the end, whiting, nicely caught fish. I will quickly unhook this straight from the top of the mouth. There you go, you can put that back. And I think that is why she's catching more than I am at the moment, because of the bright colours. But there we go, no place yet. I think it's going to be too rough for the flatties, really. I mean, we've had that small dab, but that's the only flat we've had. But yeah, 2, 4, 6, 7 beads, a little stop at the end, and a size 1 hook. A bit of ragworm on, sorted. Right, well, we're finishing up, and just to finish up, there you go, look at him. A lovely little dogfish. Fantastic. I'm going to have to walk halfway up the beach, go down the steps to put this guy back. So yeah, back in a minute. Right, that's it. We've packed up for today. We're going to go and get the kids from school. But yeah, it's probably going to be a short video until I get home. I'm not going to know how bad the wind was, and I'm imagining it was horrendous, so I'll play around with that when I get home. But yeah, that dogfish right at the end was a nice finish. But yeah, I think what we had, about 8 whiting, Tess got 2 pouting,
and a dab.
Yeah, 2 dabs.
2 dabs. Yeah.
I had a dab. So yeah, we've caught, I don't know, 10, 12 fish between the two of us. So yeah, no blank. Nice day out. So, well, thanks for joining me. Hopefully I'll see you again on the next video. But for now, that's it. Bye.